welcome back to another video. Today me and Tom Fry are actually fishing in the Kawana lake again. It's a part 2 of the video. It's going to pop up in the top right corner. Last time we fished on the other side of the lake, we're fishing the opposite side today and using the same type of lures, the brim prawn. Yeah, hopefully we get a few flatties today as well. Tom's running the double clutch for a bit and I just chucked on a jig head because last time I was using this weedless here, just running them weedless, so hopefully I'll get a few on these as well. But see you a bit later. Of the day. Let's try and get him up. Alright, first flatty of the day. On that brim lure, I'll get him off the lure and I'll show you guys. Alright, do a quick release for this fella. Probably about 35. Off he goes. First flatty on the other side of the Kawana lake. Just on this little fella. That's good. First fish, second fish of the day.
Oh, it's a pretty decent flatty.
Oh, that's probably. You reckon that's a bit bigger than yesterday?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's like, I reckon it's 60. Oh, probably high 50s.
As I was saying, oh, where are all the fish?
Yeah, that one's been like spooking them all. Lay my rod down here, bag off and help him land it. Oh, he's only just hooked, Tom.
Is he?
Oh, through the top lip.
Got him.
He's good.
Got him?
Yep, he's good. Don't get him up on the concrete so he doesn't flap up. Grab your lip grips out.
Yeah, oh yeah, that's right. Yeah.
Decent flatty.
Where are the lip grips when I need them?
Alright, we'll get him
Up on the glass.
de-hooked and take the photos. He's gonna sit there in the water for a bit.
There he goes. Get the dog.
56 centimeters. How's that, Tom?
Pretty good.
Pretty good. Second flatty for the day. What do you reckon? 30 minutes in?
Oh, what's the time now?
Time is 1:57.
Probably a bit more than 45, probably at least.
Yeah, about 45 minutes in. 2 flatties. On a roll today again. That's it for this video, guys. We finished up at this spot and we went up to the car and Tom had some car problems and his car wouldn't go into gear, so they fixed that. And now I think we're just gonna head home and grab some lunch or something. So thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.